Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset all the settings on your Android phone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first thing you need to do is, of course, navigate to your settings. So you're going to swipe up and find the Settings app. Now, keep in mind, there are different settings that you can choose to reset. There's no one button that will reset everything across your phone. The reason for this is the settings for the apps are different for the settings for your phone. So the first thing I would recommend doing is scrolling down to apps on here. And now you can choose to reset the settings for individual apps just by going to that app. Let's say I want to reset the settings for Gmail. To reset all of those settings, all I need to do is go to the storage and I can hit the clear cache and then clear the data. You can see it says it will remove all the files, settings, accounts, and databases. Just hit the delete button. Now keep in mind, this might log you out of that app, but it will reset the app itself back to as if you just installed it. You can also, as another option, if you don't want to do that, go back to the very beginning of the apps page and tap on the three dots at the top right. And then you can see Reset App Preferences. It says this will reset all your preferences for disabled apps, notification restrictions for apps, default apps, background data restrictions, permission restrictions, etc. It says you won't lose your existing app data, and you can hit the reset button. So these are two different options to reset apps within your Android phone. However, maybe you wanted to reset the entire settings of that Android phone. You can do that in a separate place. So let's hit the back arrow. And from here, let's scroll down. You'll be able to see lots of information. Where is it? General Management. Tap on that. Now within here, we can scroll down and there is Reset. If you don't see it within General Management, it could be in a different spot. You could just tap at the top right and then just search for Reset. And there it is. Now within Reset, you can see several different options. Reset all settings, reset mobile network settings. This is your carrier connection from your phone to the carrier. Reset the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and reset accessibility settings. Keep in mind, these are different from a factory data reset, which will reduce or remove all of the data on your Android phone, all the photos, the videos, the apps, all that stuff, bring it back to factory default. So let's choose the reset all settings. And it says it will reset your security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps. Just tap on Reset Settings, enter in your PIN, and then you'll go through the process of restarting your Android phone. After you've done that, again, all of the apps will still be on there. All of the data and content will still be on there. However, the settings that you have modified or customized in the Settings app will all be back to factory default. This a lot of times fixes any kind of bugs or glitches within the settings. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.